Here we go again. At least there's no wind. But the rain is coming down. The front yard is mainly our yard. The backyard is very small. This is the atrium where it really builds up. And as you can see, it's just walls, but it basically comes down that pathway there. This corner is where the main problem lies. It just comes through the wood there and into our yard. And we have a good trench, but that trench fills up and just floods the whole yard. And of course now I've got leaves from probably everywhere in the neighborhood here. But we do have good drainage. There's even a bit of cement there.